Hello everyone, my name is Aïcha and I'm a project and communications assistant at AgScape. And today we're going to be making bioplastics, which is one of the experiments featured in Camp AgScape. So let's get started. But before delving into our experiment, into the actual making of the bioplastic, I'm sure many of you are wondering, well, Aïcha, what is a bioplastic? So many of us are aware right now about how climate is a critical issue and has been for several years now. And a lot of our climate issues are actually caused by the greenhouse gas emissions. And one material that uses or that produces a lot of greenhouse gas emissions is plastic. Unfortunately, plastic is used in almost everything. Or we will find in everything, in food packaging, textiles, electronics, literally anything under the sun. So scientists and environmentalists have been researching a lot of alternatives. And one of those alternatives is bioplastics, which are plastics created with renewable sources like cornstarch, like vegetable fats and oils, like food waste. And so that's what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making a bioplastic using cornstarch and corn oil. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start by opening our Ziploc bag, and we are going to place 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in our Ziploc bag. So our next step is to add the corn oil into the Ziploc bag as well. You need about 2 drops, so you're gonna fill just a little bit of your cap with corn oil. It's about 2 drops, I'd say. So I forgot to mention that you also need water. So our next step after the corn oil is to add 1.5 tablespoon of water. So add that into our Ziploc bag. Alright, so once you have all your ingredients in the bag, using your fingers, you're gonna mix the ingredients from outside the bag. So just by kind of pressing onto, to make sure that all the elements, all your ingredients are connecting and forming what will become our bioplastic. And once it seems like they're kind of all connecting, or all like together, you're gonna add about 2 drops of food coloring. Color doesn't matter, pick your favorite color. I picked green. And you're gonna add 2 drops in there, and then you'll continue mixing a bit. There we go. Okay, so this should be the kind of the final mixing product before we're gonna take it to the microwave next. So you can kind of see how all my ingredients, it kind of looks like a slime almost. Okay, so now we're going to put our Ziploc bag into the microwave. Make sure that it's not completely sealed. And we're just gonna pop it in there for 20 to 25 seconds. And then we'll see our final result. Alright, so 25 seconds is up. We're going to carefully remove our bag. It's gonna be hot, so we're gonna be very careful. So I tried to remove it. It's a little bit too hot to form into a ball right now, so we're just gonna let it cool for a bit. But like, I'd say I'm gonna leave it for about like a couple minutes. here's our bioplastic. So you can form it now into a ball, like so, like I'm doing. And it feels like, I'd say it feels a bit more like feels like plastic, but a bit thicker. But it does the same job essentially. So here you have it, folks, bioplastic.